it was so excited because we were so nervous. We rehearsed this dance about 3 months, and now we have done this. We were so excited. We were so nervous. I really like it. But Indian people really like Modi, and they welcome him very excited, very loud. It was so good.
The Prime Minister also appreciated the Prime Minister also appreciated the dance performance with us, and he also tried to interact with the troops as well. So what did he say? He also managed to have a picture with.
He said that we excited dancers.
Thank you.
Thank you.